Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, carpets, and picking up pet hair? This Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner is here to save the day. With its powerful suction, intelligent cleaning modes, and automated features, this robotic vacuum promises to make your life easier. Let's dive into why this product stands out and why it's a must-have for any home. The Airzeen R7 is equipped with a robust suction power of up to 3,000 psi, ensuring that no speck of dirt, dust, or pet hair is left behind. Whether you have hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, or tile, this vacuum is designed to tackle all surfaces with ease. Its slim design of just 3.07 inches allows it to slide under furniture, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. If you're a pet owner, this vacuum is a dream come true. With its strong suction power and oversized 600ml dust box, the Airzeen R7 can easily collect all the pet hair your furry friends leave behind. No more clogged filters or frequent emptying. This vacuum is designed for efficiency. What sets the Airzeen R7 apart is its flexibility in cleaning. It offers 5 different cleaning modes, allowing you to customize the cleaning process to fit your home's needs. These modes include 1. Automatic cleaning. The vacuum cleans your home autonomously. 2. Spot cleaning. Focuses on a specific area for a more thorough clean. 3. Edge cleaning. Targets corners and edges where dust tends to gather. 4. Timed cleaning. Schedule the vacuum to clean at specific times. 5. Manual cleaning. Take control and direct the vacuum where needed. Switching between these modes is effortless, with either the mobile app or the included remote control. The Airzeen R7 adapts to your schedule and preferences, offering a truly personalized cleaning experience. One of the standout features of the Airzeen R7 is its high level of automation. Using advanced sensing technology, this robotic vacuum can navigate your home with ease. It avoids obstacles, changes direction when needed, and automatically returns to its charging station when it's low on power. It even adjusts its cleaning intensity based on the surface, ensuring a deep clean every time. But what makes this vacuum truly amazing is its scheduling feature. Simply set a cleaning schedule through the app, and the vacuum will start on its own, even when you're not home. Imagine coming back to a spotless house without lifting a finger. The Airzeen R7 isn't just your average robot vacuum. It's designed with pet owners in mind. Its no-entanglement roller brush ensures that pet hair won't clog the system. Combined with its powerful suction, this feature makes it ideal for homes with dogs or cats. The large dust box means fewer trips to the trash, and if you opt for the additional 2-in-1 dust and water tank, you can also mop your floors, giving them a fresh, clean shine. Worried about your carpets? The Airzeen R7 has you covered. Its Carpet Boost feature automatically increases suction power when transitioning to carpets, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. Whether it's dirt tracked in from outside or pet fur embedded in the fibers, this robot vacuum is up to the task. Controlling the Airzeen R7 is a breeze with multiple options. You can manage everything from your smartphone app, voice commands through Alexa, or the traditional remote control. The app allows you to adjust suction power, switch cleaning modes, and even monitor the vacuum's progress in real time. The Alexa integration offers a hands-free experience, letting you start a cleaning session with just your voice. And here's a pro tip. If you're having trouble connecting the vacuum to the app, make sure you're using a 2.4G network, not 5G. And if you ever run into connectivity issues, the remote control is always there as a reliable backup. When you invest in the Airzeen R7, you're not just getting a product, you're getting peace of mind. The vacuum comes with a 2-year warranty, 6-month returns or exchanges, and lifetime technical support. This kind of after-sales service ensures that you're never left in the dark if something goes wrong. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The robot vacuum cleaner, charging post, adapter, roller brush, HEPA filter, side brushes, a cleaning tool, and a quick start guide. Setting up the Airzeen R7 takes just minutes, and the detailed instruction manual will walk you through every step. Final thoughts, a must-have for a clean home. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle pet hair, dust, and various floor types while offering full automation and ease of use, the Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner is your perfect match. Its powerful suction, intelligent cleaning modes, and ability to integrate with smart home systems make it one of the best robotic vacuums on the market today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make cleaning a breeze. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and learn more about how the Airzeen R7 can transform your cleaning routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.